It's a fresh news break on Lalit Gate as pressure mounts on the Vasundhara Raje and the BJP government. The BJP has now sought papers on the entire MOU between Vasundhara Raje's Rajasthan government and the Lisbon hospital where Lalit Modi's wife was operated. Remember, we had earlier revealed just 2 months after Lalit Modi's wife's surgery, the hospital signed an agreement with the Rajasthan government to open a state-of-the-art cancer hospital in Jaipur. Now there are questions being raised about this particular MOU. We will go across to Aditya Raj Kaul and Aditi Anant Narayan on the details of this MOU. Aditi, can you take us through this MOU between the Lisbon hospital and the Rajasthan government? Questions being raised about the prime property being given to this particular hospital, because it was Vasundhara Raje who personally intervened in the signing of this particular MOU, because Lalit Modi's wife had been treated in this particular hospital. Aditi, what are the questions that are now being raised about this MOU between the Lisbon hospital and the Rajasthan government?
In fact, Navika, earlier also on Times Now, we had reported that how Vasundhara Raje had signed a MOU between the Rajasthan government and the Lisbon hotel, where just 2 months ago, Lalit Modi's wife was treated for cancer. Now, we are also understanding, like just yesterday when the BJP had sought all the documents from Vasundhara Raje, today we are getting to understand is that the BJP is also keeping a close watch on the MOU that was signed between Vasundhara Raje's Rajasthan government and also the Lisbon hotel, Lisbon hospital, I beg your pardon, where Lalit Modi's wife was treated. What we are understanding, Navika, at this point of time is that the BJP is clearly keeping a close watch on what the legal ramifications could be. Earlier as well, we had heard reports coming out which said that Vasundhara Raje had signed the MOU, Navika, only to seek technical assistance back in Rajasthan. But also going into details, we had found out that no such technical assistance was actually used in the hospitals in Rajasthan for which the MOU was signed. So that's the prime reason why the BJP is now picking up this MOU to see why exactly was this MOU signed and why specifically with this particular Lisbon hotel, and if Vasundhara Raje government was seeking any technical assistance from this particular hospital, where was that technical assistance put to use, Navika?